The impressive historical excavations had to be protected from heavy construction machinery during the construction of the museum. For this reason, 14,000 tons of sand and gravel were poured into the excavated building site. After the construction work, Cologne's largest hoover was used. A special suction technology was developed for this purpose. A technically demanding project, which also had to take ventilation and the safety of the construction workers into account.